Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be talking about some clip-in hair extensions called Lacerhair, and they are currently in my hair right now, and it does not look like I have any clip-ins in, but I do, and they match my hair so perfectly. They're more closer to my hair length and everything like that. So the name of this company is Lacerhair. They are an Amazon hair company, and they reached out to me to see if I wanted to review these hair clip-ins, and so I was like, why not? And so when I got the clip-ins, they came in this box right here. I got the hair extensions in a 16-inch, and I got kinky, curly, and the color of these clip-ins is 1B. So this is the box that it came in. They had 7 clip-ins in one bundle, and so I got one 4-clip piece. I got 2 3-clip pieces. I got 3 2-clip pieces and 1 1-clip. When I opened the box, it was the hair and all of that stuff. They had the instructions on how to care for the hair, and they also gave me some MAC lashes, and they gave me 2 extra clips for the clip-ins, but I didn't use those. I didn't have to use them or anything. One bundle, there are 7 clips, and this Amazon hair company has all kinds of hair clips. They have kinky, curly, they have the ones that are more like towards 4C hair. They also have drawstring ponytails and all of that stuff for curly hair as well. So make sure to check them out below, but if you are interested in these kinky curly clip-ins and how I installed them, then just keep on watching. So I finished washing and conditioning my own hair, and I did condition the clip-ins. So this is how the clip-ins look after I conditioned them. I didn't shampoo, I just did like a co-wash to them and detangled it, and this is how they're looking once I conditioned it and stuff. The curl pattern did kind of loosen up and stuff like that. I'm not sure if this is going to be enough hair for my entire head. I only got like one bundle of 7 clip-ins, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like a twist or something in the front of my hair and use the clip-ins on the rest of my hair and see how that kind of works out. So I got my twist going on, and then I have my hair section off in half, so I have half up here and half down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna work on this first half right now and then just work my way up. So I'm just gonna take my hair out of this twist. The styling product that I'm gonna be using is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flexi Elongating Curling Gel. So this is what I'm going to be using on my hair and the clip-ins as well to help them to blend. So I parted off a good size section about this much. So I'm not sure if that is too much hair or not, but I'm just going to brush my hair. And I'm actually going to take a clip that has 2 clips on them, and I'm just going to clip it at the back. So to make them blend, I'm going to take my gel and kind of rake my hair and this hair together. So now that I blended my hair in with the gel, like, it actually blends pretty good. Like, I could probably do like a wash and go with this, but I kind of want to do a twist out just to see how it would look if I was to take it down the next morning. So, like, looking at this, I can't even tell where my hair stops because it blends so perfectly with the clip-ins with the gel. So I'm just gonna twist this up. So this is how it looks clipped in and twisted with my hair. So I'm gonna do a close-up how they look. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I'm going to put a 3 clip in, and then I have one that has 4 clips that I'm gonna kind of put it in the middle of my hair, kind of like in the crown of my hair. And so I'm just going to like fast forward this and just let you all see like what I'm doing. Okay, so I got all of the clip-ins in, and I think it blends really good. I just can't wait to see like how they look when I take these down. Now I did use all 7 clip-ins, and I thought that wasn't gonna be enough for my hair, but so the next time that I use these, I'm probably going to put the clip-ins in smaller sections. Now some of the clips did not want to stay in. It might have been the way that I done my hair, but I finally got them to stay. And like this looks like all of my hair, but like I like it so much. I didn't get that much shedding when I was conditioning it, which was really surprising to me because I did expect them to shed a lot. But yeah, like I just can't wait to see how they look. Tomorrow I will come back with me unraveling the clip-in. Okay guys, so it is the next day and I am ready to take down these twists. I'm just feeling around to try to make sure they are completely dry, and they look pretty good. So I'm just gonna do a little turnaround so you can see. So I got my pick right here for when I take them down, and I'm going to be using this Jamaican Black Castor Growth Oil by Africa's Best to take them down so I can make it easier to separate. So I'm just gonna rub this oil all on the hair. And I don't know how many twists I've done. I was just twisting. Okay guys, so this is the final result of taking them down. I was gonna pick out my hair a bit, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I really like these clip-ins. They look like my hair. They look really natural. And even though all of the clip-ins was enough for my hair, I would probably purchase another bundle myself just to make it a little bit more full. I really like these clip-in extensions by Lacerhair. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I will put the price of the clip-ins and the exact ones that I got, so the link and all of that to the hair and all of that and other, you know, information about this hair will be in the description box, so make sure to check that out. If you have any other questions about this hair, make sure to comment down below. I will put the Instagram page of, you know, the company as well in the description box so that you all can check them out as well. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.